Okay, so I decided to take a look at some stuff here. Decide to enter a long position for MKR, and the reason for that is because I see bullishly diverging RSI. The 1 minute wants to tick to the upside here. It's just looking very healthy all the way around for bullish divergence, right? So we see this just the way it's trending, you know, just taking a look at it right here. It just looks very, very, very healthy in my opinion. I'm gonna buy another 0.5 here to go into a position of about $10,000 here, okay? So then what we're gonna try to do is go for a really small scalp, okay? I don't think that we're gonna end up getting like some sort of parallel channel here. I think we're gonna break to the upside just based on how everything is looking. This is the point where it's most likely to break in my opinion. Okay, right here, if this ends up breaking, we're gonna go for a very beautiful scalp position, right? And we're probably gonna get some sort of resistance at around 61.10. But either way, you know, it's a very small scalp and it might be my last trade for the day. But let's just say, for example, that I'm right about this particular point right here, okay? So let's just see if we can identify any type of clear-cut resistances or supports, etc. So we see that right here, this is a possible one, right? Just based on how this is a trend line right here, right? We take a look at the 3-minute chart starting to trend to the upside, 2-minute charts trending to the upside. Of course, we can hit the lower side at the $5,900 regions here as well, and there's a good chance of that as well. But I'm playing this on a very, very small structure, okay? So let's just say that like this is a resistance. This whole region is a resistance, okay? And let's just say it's attempting to break above there. Is that possible? Yeah, that's possible, okay? So let's just say we take a Fibonacci range here. Even if it does hit a very bearish dead cat bounce type of structure, that's still 1%. So I'm going for literally a very, very tiny 1% scalp here, which seems to make sense in my opinion. So I'm gonna go for another 0.1 right there. So this way I'm in a position for $12,000, going for that 1% scalp here. Fib retracement range of the highest structure here. Gonna go close at 6120 or so, maybe even 6100. That's not really that much profit, but you know, but that's a very quick scalp in my opinion. So I will go from there, see if this breaks to the upside. This is probably gonna get a higher high in my opinion as well. The 1-minute chart starting to show that curvature to the upside here that I really like. Right there, right? That I really like. It's continuously going up. Of course, we're gonna get probably a small dip over here, right? A small retracement, but I think it will end up getting a higher high. Okay, so I entered into a $24,000 position now. 4 MKR coins, averaging $6,012 each here. And the reason why I entered it is because I firmly believe that this is now the bottom. Just based on the curvature of here, that's going really high to the upside here on the 30-second chart, where we're finding the resistance right there. If this pokes to the upside here, I think that we're going to be golden. There we go. There's the poke to the upside. Even if I were to close at 60, 62 there, I'd be very happy with that actually, okay? Very happy today. I'm getting into a really bad mood because I'm just so hungry right now. And I'm thirsty. Yeah, so this is looking like it tried to break to the upside there, right? 60.17, but hasn't quite yet. So I'll probably just put mine like at a very reasonable level, like at 660. Okay, or 60.60. 4 coins here. It's like $48 per coin. It's not that much money, but I might even go to 60.80. Let's just sell here at 60.80. Something like that. Actually, I can go way higher than that. I can go 60.90. I think it's gonna work out here. Yeah, 60.90 is reasonable. There's the break, it's coming out, right? So now we take our Fibonacci retracement range like that. So 60.90 would be right below the 38.2 Fibonacci structure. That could even be a dead cat bounce, you never know, okay? So I leave it here for now. fuck, these last 3 hours, I know I've said it before, it's gonna be very, very tough today actually. So my entry is 60.12. Clearly it's gonna hit it. I'm very confident about this position of mine today. But I should probably stop trading because you should never trade when you're hungry, right? So there's the rally, it's coming around right now. It's probably just gonna fly by 60.60 in my opinion. I mean, it might even end up making one touch to the downside, but I don't think it will. I think that doji right there was very significant. You know, on the whatever 8-minute chart doji, 5-minute chart doji, 3-minute chart double dojis. So here it's flying already up $25. Obviously way more than that soon, right? So I am going to close at 60.90, and at 60.90 that's going to be a $310 profit right there. Already at $56. I don't think that 60.64 is going to be anything at all, to be quite honest. It's probably going to just fly right by there, right? So if you take a look at my Fibonacci structure right here, there's the first resistance at the 23.6% level. I haven't traded for so long that I literally had to go take a look at my Fibonacci range right now to see where we're at. $100 up. I was only in for 2, leverage 10, playing pretty big. $24,000 position, high leverage here, but that's fine. I'm very used to this. I started today with $2,300 only. So we're clearly up already a significant amount. I'm literally losing my train of thought right now, and I feel like I'm kind of fainting right now almost. I have to drive halfway across the city in about 1 hour to go pick up a friend of mine. Jesus, I should probably just make that person cab. Okay, I catch you guys soon. I'm gonna pause the video for now. So this well, before I do this, kind of like, this is what a trader does, right? They're gonna go through like a lot of different emotions throughout the day, but it's a matter of like how you handle these emotions. You know, this is how it is. A matter of how you analyze the risk, you weigh your positions, stay calm, stay focused. Gotta weigh your emotional state all the time, right? Gotta make sure that we understand ourselves, and when we're not in the right capacity to trade, that's a very, very important factor, right? I'm not gonna just start trading randomly when I'm in a shitty mood or when I'm really tired, etc. And right now is one of those times where I acknowledge to myself very firmly that it's time to stop trading very soon, because my mind's not all here in terms of just physical health, right? I'm very, very thirsty right now. This is a very nice play that just happened here. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but they tried to break to the downside here with a wick, even on the 30-second time frame, right? But the bulls ended up defending it very, very quickly over here. So it's gonna be nice to just take a look here to see how the bulls are faring. So we're at 60, 31, 33, 29, 30, right? So we do see that bearish pressure come to the downside, but the 1 minute chart is the one that's kind of really giving way to a lot of information. So new candles coming up right now. Hopefully this will push to the upside right now. I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. Okay, so now I take a look here. It's only been about a minute since I've been gone. I take a look here, right, and I'm clearly seeing like this right here. See this? Right, we're getting some sort of support that ended up happening. So now I'm wondering to myself, are we going to get another touch to the top right there? Probably. It's probably going to channel up. But I don't know if it's going to break above 60.60 for now. So I might just take my stupid little profit and then just call it a day. Unless this channel is not even valid, right? Like, it really depends. It may not even mean anything at all. Can't always just assume parallel lines and think that it's gonna work out just the way it is, like just the way it goes, right? So it may be something, it may be nothing, you never know. All that I know for now is that based on other time frames, it's fairly decently bullish. It almost touched the 5-minute 55 EMA. It recovered very nicely on all the other EMAs here, right? Clicking a lot, don't mind me. So I see the 1 minute chart just trending upwards. 2 minute chart crossed over already, but we could get another tick down. You never know, right? So this is putting an edge a little bit, and we gotta wait, give it some time. Okay, so that didn't really hold the way I thought that it would hold there. So now we're pretty much reevaluating, right? It seems like it might even make a touch down to over there. If it does, all right. But you know, you see this right here of the descending possible triangle, right? So now I wait very patiently to see if it breaks down out of there. Looks like it's almost going to be parabolic. Might be better for me to cut my losses now. Yeah, it doesn't look good for me at all, honestly. See that? That's gonna probably end up puncturing to the downside. Oh, I have to go soon. Whether I win this trade or not, I gotta go. I gotta get ready for tonight. I'm just exhausted today. I had to do a lot. So I give it a little bit more time to see how this ends up playing out. 2 minute chart finally crossed over, but you know, it didn't really do what I wanted it to do. The 1 minute chart's coming to the downside negatively now. It's really looking bad on the 30-second chart. The 15-second chart's looking shitty. The 5-second chart's looking shitty. Everything is just looking shitty for the bulls right now. So I think I'm going to get out of this trade right away. It fell down through here, so I'm down about $150. Can't win them all, just I think we all know that already. Just needs to bounce a little bit and I'd be extremely happy. But it doesn't look like there's many signs of it doing that right now. Okay, so I'm now in my underwear getting ready to go out tonight. Fuck! Changed it to 680 there. It didn't quite hit it. Do you see that wick? You see that wick right there that got to 580 on the nose? But it didn't quite hit mine because it was probably higher than there was probably too many, you know what I mean? There's probably like a lot of 680s but never got to mine. So I'm now up fucking $90 only. Shitty. But I do believe that this is gonna, I have to get ready now. I'm in my underwear if you guys can't tell. So damn, that was really, really close. This one did hit 680 right there, see that? 680 on the nose, but not quite mine yet. So we finally break out of here where I thought it was going to be a descending triangle, but I was just doing laundry and stuff and it ended up breaking to the upside instead, which is phenomenal. So then we see this first resistance right here. I really gotta go soon, guys. I gotta go. I gotta call somebody. And then I gotta go pick somebody up far away, opposite side of the city. Then I gotta get dinner ready tonight because I'm having a very, very, very small gathering for dinner. Every day breaking fast is very important to me, so yeah. So I'm only up like $40 right now, nothing substantial at all. Okay, so I have to give this some more time. I really do. I don't know if you even can draw something like that. Complicated structure, indeed. Barely hit 382, right? But I was so confident that it was gonna find resistance around that particular range, right? And that's exactly what it did. So I'm gonna hold on to 680 here, and I'm gonna see what I'm gonna make here at 680. $200 American, I'll take that, but don't know if it's even gonna hit it. That's the thing, right? I'm gonna hold on. I'll be back later after. Take a shower. Peace. All right, so I think it's finally trying to puncture it, right? We see the resistance here. I kind of narrated everything for you guys here, right? This is not getting a higher high. It got rejected here again. Fuck. Not good. But clearly it's making some sort of pattern here, right? I really have to go soon. I'm really crunched for time. I really have to go pick somebody up and I'm waiting for a call. Yeah, this is how it is. Is it making an A, B, C, D, E maybe? If it touches here at 680, I'll be very, very happy. Easy $200 here. I had to work for this $200, you know? Like really, really had to work for this one. But I think that it's about to puncture it, like no doubt in my mind. Based off of the momentum here, it's gonna probably do it, right? Yeah, I think so. So right here, no, not quite yet. Fudge stickles. Really working for this $100, man. 200, there we go, finally. Finally, it's about to go up, Come on, bam, give me a little bit more pressure here. Come on, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Ooh, there we go, finally. I had to work for that $200 fucking dollars, man. Shit. One of the harder trades that I have to make, guys. 3 for 3 today. So that worked out to be $250 there. So I'm at today 580 plus 250, 830 Canadian dollars. Started this account today with $2,300. So I turned 700 USD to that. I made 860 Canadian dollars today. That was such a good solid trade here. And the logic was very simple behind it, which was basically wait for bullish divergence here and then close it at the 382 Fibonacci range, assuming that we would have a dead cat bounce with a very conservative target. Booyah! Okay, I gotta go now, guys. I'm done trading for the day. Great job, everybody. We'll talk soon.